Hi, I am going to talk you through the items of the grooming kit this morning. So we're going to start with the hoof pick. So this is a hoof pick that you obviously use to pick out the horse's feet. It's very important to pick out your horse's feet twice a day, and you always use the hoof pick in a downward motion. There's going to be another video demonstrating how to use it. At the moment we're just going through each item. So next we have got now can you guess what this is? This is a dandy brush. It's got quite hard, spiky bristles, and it's for use on a field-kept pony. You can use it on hairy ponies, muddy ponies, but definitely not on a clipped horse or a horse that's stable-kept or a thoroughbred horse that's got very fine, sensitive skin. Now, if you are grooming a stable-kept pony, then you can use this brush here. Do you know what this one's called? This one's actually called a rubber curry comb, and you use it in big round circular motions. It's good for improving circulation, and it removes all the loose hair and brings all the grease to the surface. So that's for use on a stable kept pony on the big flat areas of the horse. After that, if you were brushing a stable kept horse, you would use this, which is a body brush, nice soft bristles. You can use this all over the horse, on their head, on their legs, on their body, any bony area. And this brush here is called a metal curry comb, and this brush is used for cleaning the body brush. You never ever use this directly on the horse. It's very sharp. It's only for cleaning the body brush, and again this will be demonstrated later on in the course. For brushing the mane and tail, the best brushes to use are either a mane comb or a body brush. Now lots of people, well not lots of people, some people use a plastic curry comb on the mane and tail. And the problem with this, particularly on the tail, is that you can rip out all the hairs in their tail, and the horse ends up with a really thin, pathetic tail. So this brush can be used on field-kept ponies to get rid of any dried mud. That's the best use for the plastic curry comb. What else have we got here? We've got a sponge. So in your grooming kit you should have 3 sponges really, one for the eyes, one for the nose, and one for cleaning the dock, because you don't want to be cleaning the pony's bottom with the same brush that you're cleaning their eyes and nose with. That wouldn't be very nice, would it? And then finally, once you've groomed the horse, and one other thing actually, you can use like a mane and tail conditioner. This is quite good for detangling the tail and preventing those hairs from being ripped out, as we discussed earlier. You can put a tail bandage on your pony as well. And again, there'll be a video demonstrating this later. And if you damp the tail down with a water brush or a sponge, then you can put the tail bandage on. And when you take it off after 1 or 2 hours, the tail looks all very smart and flat. So that's all the items of the grooming kit. We hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next chapter. Bye!